Hi everyone, coming up at Gray's this month in our classic car auction is this LX SLR 5000. Now this is a genuine SLR 5000. It's got the original engine, it's got all the correct tags on it. At some stage it did get fitted with a sunroof, which probably detracts from the car a little bit, but it is a good car, and mechanically all the powertrain's been rebuilt. The guys actually used it doing some circuit racing out in Queensland, in club events, certain things like that. And the car's been very, very well set up, right down the correct suspension, all that sort of stuff. Interior trim's good, it's got the seats redone in leather. The body's nice and tidy. He's running the Anonix flares on it and the Anonix bonnet scoop. But it is a genuine LX SLR 5000, so if you're looking for something to have a bit of fun with, do a bit of club events and maybe a bit of circuit racing, but also have a genuine SLR, this one's definitely worth having a look at. Comes up this month at Gray's. Give us a call on 1300 Classic or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.